Hello students, welcome to Ekta's Science Education class. Today we are going to learn about plant kingdom. Plant kingdom where the plant play very important role. All plants are living things. They need air, water, light to make their own food. They differ in the shape, size, types of branches and leaves and different ways like flowers and fruits. Every plants are different. Okay. Now plants are the vital part of living world. Plants differ widely in the terms of appearance, size, structure and habitat. There are more than 3 lakh species of the plants on the earth. The branch of the science that deals with the study of the plant life is called as a botany. Now, plants are different in the shapes, and we know that plants are classified into the smallest to the largest. Like herbs are the smallest, shrubs, climbers, creepers and trees are the tallest plants. Okay, so this classification we have already learned. Now we are going to learn about the shapes of the plant. Like you can see in this image, banyan or mango tree is a very tall plant or is a tall tree with a thick trunk with a large crown. As you can see, the crown is there. For example, banyan or mango tree have this type of a crown, and the tree is with the very tall and with the hard woody stem. So this is the plant contains the crown like shape. Now next step we are going to learn about the tall slender trunk without branches. These trees are very tall with a slender trunk without any more side branches. As example, coconut, ashoka, bamboo plants are the very good example of these plants which are having the tall slender trunk without branches. These trees are tall with the slender trunk. Next is a cone shaped trees. These trees are cone shape. As you can see in the image, these trees are cone shaped. Is a bottle shaped trunk. The tree which have the bottle shaped trunk are said to be this bottle shaped trunk tree. Now as the different plants have the different shapes, they are having the smells also different. Now we are going to learn about the smell of the plant. In some plants the leaves have a peculiar smell. For example, coriander, which we are adding in the vegetables, mint means pudina, basil, tulsi, etc. Some plants bear flower and fruits which have peculiar smell. For example, rose, mango, jasmine. Everybody love the flowers because of their peculiar smell only. Even the sprays, perfumes are made with the help of these flowers only. Here I am having the image of the coriander, mint and basil, which have the peculiar smell which make them different because of their smell only. Eucalyptus tree also have the very peculiar smell, and this show the medicinal uses also. It is medicinally very important plant, so it's a medicinal plant. Then here you can see the images of the rose and other marigold and jasmine flower which have the very beautiful smell. Okay, with the flowers also, fruits also have the peculiar smell, as the king of the fruit is a mango. Mango is a king of a fruit, contain very beautiful smell. Everybody like to eat the mango during the summer season. So next is a pineapple. I love the pineapple smell, and pineapple as well. So pineapple also show the peculiar smell. Then guava. Guava is very tasty and healthy also. Apple, every fruit have the peculiar smell that are differentiated because of their peculiar smell only. Now living things depend on the plants because plant gives us different things. Plant provides us different things, so plants are our best friends because plants gives us different things: cereals, food grains, dry fruits, fruits, vegetables, pulses, spices, fibers, rubber, oil, gum, medicine. Everything we are getting from the plants. Cereals we are eating, food grains and dry fruits we are eating them, and they are very healthy and nutritious. All the things, rubber we are using to make the tires, fibers we are using to wearing the clothes, we are knitting the clothes with the help of the fibers only. Now cereals, for example, wheat, barley, rice, maize, oats, millet are all the cereals that we are eating, which we are getting from the plants. These are the some images, then pulses, then spices. This we are all getting from the plants. Now rubber makes very important part. Rubber plays important role in the transport system because all the tires are made from the rubber only. And not only for making the tires, the rubber is also used in industries for making different items. Acacia tree gives us gum. Gum is also playing important role. We are getting fibers from the plants. Fibers like cotton is very famous in Maharashtra. Fiber like jute and hemp, they gives us, we are getting these fibers from the plant. We wear clothes to cover our body. Clothes protect our bodies from heat, cold, dust and insects. They also make us look good. The kind of the clothes we wear varies widely. People wear different kinds of clothes in the different region of the world. Now, fibers are of the two types, natural fiber and synthetic fiber. Natural fibers are the fibers that are obtained from the plants or animals. So here we can see the plants gives us fiber like cotton, jute, coir, hemp, flax and other examples of the cotton. So these are the all types of the things that we are getting from the plants. So happy tree and guaranteed the tree will give you the in return. So plant the trees and do not only just plant this tree, you just make them survive as well. So only planting is not important, taking care of the tree is also important. So plant the trees because plants are our friends, trees are our friends. Save trees, save earth. Trees are our best friends, not only for the things that we are getting from the trees, but the important one of the important gas also we are getting from the tree, that is oxygen. So oxygen is given by the trees only. So save the trees. Now let's learn what we learned from the lesson. Plants differ in the shape, size, color and etc. Plant gives us food, clothing, medicine, wood, paper, gum, rubber. Plant make the air clean and fresh. Only plants can make their own food. Without plants there would be no life on the earth. We must grow more and more trees. So this is all about the plant kingdom. Next video we will learn about more about the plants. Thank you students. Thank you for watching. Please share and subscribe my channel for more and more knowledge. Thank you.